everyone, I'm back with another video. First of all, happy Diwali, and on this nice occasion, finally another day vlog. That's nice. Festival of Lights. So first agenda is picking up my friend, then maybe having lunch. I don't know whether he has had lunch, and we are supposed to meet another friend, and then possibly going to Motor Central, Pro Biker, Bike Show Global, any motorbike gear showroom to get myself a pair of riding boots.
A few moments later.
हैप्पी दिवाली भाई, क्या हाल?
दिवाली बढ़िया बढ़िया मस्त हाल। लग रंग के घूम रहे हो तुम कैमरा लगा के।
सेफ्टी भाई, सेफ्टी
है
सेफ्टी सेफ्टी।
ये सेफ्टी
यप
एक्शन कैमरा।
यप।
मुझे तो ऐसे एक दो लोगों ने ऐसे मैसेज
बहुत से समोसा उसका।
वगैरह। हाँ
बहुत से समोसा उसका।
समोसा कचौड़ी
वो भी इलाहाबादी साइड में।
कॉलेज में ही ले लेना चाहिए था तुझे।
अब रिग्रेट मत।
एक्सप्रेस वे से भी आ सकते हैं, वरना बाइक से ओल्ड हाईवे से जाना पड़ता है।
चले
निकल दो तुम लोग। हाँ
देखता हूँ कभी भी जैसा भी आ गया ऐसे मुझे किसी दिन
किसी का भी मुंबई में आ रहे हैं तो भी पहले से बता देना, तो हम ट्राई करेंगे कि मुंबई आ जाए।
हाँ पहले से प्लान होगा तो बताएगा। ये वाला तो मेरा स्पॉन्टेनियस था। चलो ऊपर।
हाँ
दिवाली का मिठाई रखा होगा ऊपर।
हाँ भाई, शवरमा के साथ।
ऐसे तुम अकेले हो दिवाली पे घर पे। चलो
अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज।
2000 years later.
So yesterday it was a chill day. I had some things planned, but time frame में हो नहीं पाया. So today I'm continuing, and I'll be I am headed towards Motor Central Nanapet. I'm not sure of the timings. I did call and ask, and they themselves were unsure कि वो खुद कब close करने वाले हैं. So I'm trying to head there as quick as possible. It's showing 9.1 kilometers, 21 minutes. I'll be looking for some boots. The Exor Race Tech, Exor Slipstream Pro, and the BVG calf boots. The newer ones, the Exor ones, Slipstream Pro and the Race Tech, they look so good on picture. But the previous model, none the normal Slipstream, the reviews haven't been so good. So most of the people I have met, they are not recommending. They are not recommending me those shoes because of their build quality. That's based on the last shoes, the normal Slipstream. The newer ones have been launched 3 months back, so there is no as a proper review as such for them. So might as well let's check them out. The weather is good. For some reason एक दो बूंदे गिर रही है मेरे ऊपर. That's fine. Most of the sky is clear. Just 2-3 clouds है ऐसे. Otherwise the weather is good. And happy Diwali once again. I'm not sure मैंने कल बोला था कि नहीं, but happy Diwali. I could have vlogged the rest of the day yesterday, but so just chillo, I'm off my bike. Either way, this is a moto vlogging channel, so रहने दिया. I'll play my 1 minute ka summary of the day. I did record something on my phone. wish this bike could fly. क्या ही चाहिए होता और. The race tech boots are about 15,000 I think. अगर इतना sort of premium pricing है तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि क्वालिटी भी वैसे ही कुछ होगा यार. ज़रूरी थोड़ी कि बेकार ही होगा. देख लेते पहले क्या जा रहा है. This is the spot. Let's park somewhere. पार्क कर सकते हैं. I'll see you guys later. Okay, these are the options. That's the Slipstream Pro, the BBG. Where is the race tech? डिस्प्ले पे नहीं है आई थिंक. हेलो. वो एक्सॉर का रेस टेक करके आता है वो नहीं है क्या? रेस टेक करके स्लिपस्ट्रीम प्रो का ऐसे लंबा वाला आता है ना. UK 8 और 9 में देखना. Okay, so got myself these boots, the Exhaust Slipstream Pro. So I usually wear 8 size. Usually wear 8, but they recommended 9, and 9 was fitting nicely as well. This is going to be a struggle. Absolute struggle. With such a big box, चलो केक वगैरह तो I can easily handle. So I had 3 options. This one, the Racer Tech, again by Exor, and the BBG. And images में वैसे पता नहीं चलता, but in person when I checked, the back support of the boot is actually same on the Slipstream Pro and on the BBG calf boots. Absolutely same back protection. So I thought BBG it's for 12,000 something. Slipstream Pro I got it for 9,710. The length is same, slightly taller. Which one is the slightly taller one? The BBG one is slightly taller, extremely slightly. Not much difference. The design language I felt कि Exor का it was better. The build quality is same. अभी के लिए यूज़ करने के बाद पता चलेगा. And we have 6 months warranty. You can claim through Exor's official website, so that's no issue. I should have just worn the boots यार and अपने shoes bag में रख लेता. Why am I carrying this entire cardboard box? Another reason why I bought these now, because the BBG ones they have almost stopped production. I think उनका सेल भी उतना हो नहीं रहा था, so dealers have stopped restocking them. Let me keep my phone inside, and let me also end this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked it. A review of these shoes will be coming very soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.